You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, the dawn of the AI revolution, automating rote tasks. You can't open a web browser these days, or Adobe Acrobat for that matter, without being told how AI is going to invade every facet of life and change everything until we're all unemployed and spending our universal basic income on beachfront Mai Tai service. That is, if Skynet doesn't build millions of drones to wipe out the inferior human race. All hysteria aside, AI is now part of our technology, and it's still figuring out where it fits best. But there are some practical ways you can start to put it to work, making your business more efficient today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science and engineering of creating machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI systems can learn from data, reason with logic, and interact with natural language. AI can also adapt to new situations and improve over time. AI excels at tasks that involve finding patterns, optimizing solutions, and making predictions. These tasks are often difficult or impossible for humans to do at scale or speed. AI can also augment human capabilities by providing assistance, feedback, and insights. AI can enhance creativity, productivity, and decision-making. Businesses are using AI to automate routine tasks that take up valuable time and resources. By automating tasks such as data entry, customer service, and inventory management, businesses can free up their employees to focus on more strategic and innovative work. In that, AI can help businesses improve their efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, automating the mundane. The crux of AI's allure lies in its ability to automate routine tasks by delegating repetitive processes to intelligent algorithms. Businesses can liberate their workforce from the shackles of monotony. Data analysis, once a time-consuming endeavor, is now swiftly handled by AI, parsing through vast databases with unparalleled precision. Tools such as Microsoft's Power Automate can completely automate routine workflows within a business. It offers pre-built automation templates which you can use immediately, or you can customize the templates or start from scratch if you prefer. Second, AI's domain, beyond the routine. While automation is often synonymous with routine tasks, AI's domain extends far beyond. Customer service, marketing, and data entry are just the tip of the iceberg. AI chatbots, for instance, provide instant support, learning from each interaction to offer personalized assistance. In marketing, AI's predictive analytics forecast consumer behavior, crafting campaigns that resonate on a personal level. Microsoft's Copilot for M365 offers augmentation with all of your most common productivity apps, including your web browser, Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and more. Generally speaking, it helps employees get to their desired outcomes more quickly and with higher quality and less effort. Third, the ripple effect of AI integration. The integration of AI into business operations isn't just about efficiency, it's about transformation. Reduced error rates, enhanced creativity, and employee satisfaction are the desired outcomes of AI adoption. Employees, unburdened by the menial tasks, can channel their creativity into strategic initiatives and raw productivity, driving growth and innovation. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams System Update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.